सब्सक्राइब कीजिए स्टडी विद सर अमन चैनल को और नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए।
Good morning all of you. Today we will continue compound interest and today we will solve by using formula. Okay, so let us start the exercise. What I have told you, we have to read question at first. A person invests 5,000 means it is principal for 2 years at certain rate compounded annually. At the end of 1 year means at the end of 1 year this sum amount to 5600 means principal is 5,000, amount is 5600 at the end of 1 year means time is 1 year. Calculate number 1 we need rate, number 2 we need amount at the end of second year. First we will calculate the rate. Okay, for rate what do we need? We need three things, all of you know. Let us see the solution. Check interest A minus P 5600 minus 5600 rate 100 into interest by principal into time. I have told you for rate we need three things. Now all the three things are there. 100 into 600 by 5000 into 1, 12% is our required answer. Now question number 2 we need amount for second year. For second year the principal will be 5600 as it is given in the book. Time 1 year, rate 12%. Calculate same to same. Amount at the end of second year. What is the formula for amount? P plus I 5600 plus 672. It is your required answer. Clear? Calculate the difference between the compound interest and the simple interest. What is the meaning of difference? We have to subtract. Compound interest and simple interest both are included here. On 7500 means principal is 7500 in 2 years means time is 2 years at 8% per annum, rate is 8%. Now from question number 2 today, now I am giving you the formula how to calculate by using formula. Now whatever will be easy for you by using formula or by simple interest method you can do it after question number 12. Okay, so check the formula at first all of you. Now you see two formulas I have written here. One is for amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 to the power n, n means time. Okay, and the formula for compound interest is equal to P big bracket then small bracket 1 plus r by 100 to the power n minus 1. Okay, you can use any one of them to find compound interest. Okay, check principal 7500 rate 8% time 2 years by using formula. A is equal to P bracket 1 plus r by 100 means first we need amount. You can find 7500 1 plus 8 by 100 power 2 y2 time is 2 year. 7500 into take LCM. How to plus? I have told you whenever you need to plus the fraction you have to take LCM. LCM will be 100 then 100 plus 8 by 100 then power 2 means square. Square means 2 times 7500 into 108 by 100 into 108 by 100. Now you can calculate by yourself. Okay, now amount is coming 8748. Now after this what we have to do? Now check nicely. See CI final amount minus original principal or interest amount minus principal 8748 minus 7500, so compound interest is 1248. Now find simple interest by using formula. Simple interest is 1200 P into R into T by 100. According to question difference means CI minus SI 1248 minus 1200. 48 is your required answer. Okay, check question number 16, important question. Peter borrows 12,000 for 2 years at 10% per annum compound interest. Principal 12,000 time 2 years rate 10%. Clear? He repays 8,000 at the end of first year. He repays, you can consider he returns 8,000 at the end of 12,000 money he is taking for 2 years, but after 1 year at the end of 1 year he returns some money means 8,000 he returned. Find number 1 amount at the end of first year before making the repayment. Now check the solution nicely. Same to same for first year. Principal 12,000, rate 10%, time 1 year. I have told you interest PRT 100, interest is 1200. Amount at the end of first year before making the repayment. Okay, amount formula principal plus interest 12,000 plus 1200, 13,200. This is the amount at the end of first year. Clear? He repays. Number 2, you have to find after making the repayment what is the amount. So he repays 8,000. So 8,000 he return means you have to minus 8,000. Amount is 13,200 minus 8,000. 5200. Okay, is the amount standing for next year. Now number 3, what is the question? Question is what is the principal for second year? What is the amount? The amount will become the principal for next year, means principal is 5200. Now question number 4, amount for second year. Same we will follow. Principal is 5200, rate 10%, time 1 year, interest. Then amount at the end of second year, principal plus interest 5200 plus 520. 5720 is your required answer. Question is important, only question is big, concept is very clear. Check next question. A certain sum of money invested for 5 years at 8% per simple interest, time 5 year, rate 8%, earns an interest of 12,000. Interest is 12,000. Find number 1, sum of money. What do you mean by sum of money? Means principal. We need principal. For principal what do we need? We need 3 things: interest, rate and time. Now in this question number 2, what do we need? We need compound interest. So let us see the solution. Check 18 number. Principal 100 into interest by rate into time, 100 into 12,000 by 5 into 8. With do calculation, principal will come 30,000. Now we will try to solve second number. Principal is 30,000. Okay, second number CI is equal to what? Time is 2 year, rate is 10% per annum. In this question I will tell you by using formula for compound interest how to calculate. So see nicely what I have told you. We will do calculation by compound interest. Okay, CI is equal to P, big bracket, 1 plus R by 100 to the power n minus 1. Okay, principal is 30,000, rate is 10, time is 2 minus 1. Check the first line. Okay, now 0 0 cancel. Second line, all the steps I have written for you because it is the first and new question to make you understand. 1 plus 1 by 10 bracket close square minus 1. So how to plus? I have told you, take LCM. LCM will be 10. 10 plus 1 by 10 whole square minus 1. 10 plus 1, 11 by 10 whole square minus 1. 11 into 11, 121. 10 into 10, 100 minus 1. Again how to minus? Take LCM. 100 in the down, 121 minus 100. Do the work of bracket at first. 21 by 100. Now calculation you do. 0 0 cancel. Multiply CI 6300. So like this I have told you today how to calculate by using formula. One example of amount and one example of compound interest direct. So whatever will be easy for you, you will try to make it. Okay, I hope all of you have understood this very nicely. Thank you. God bless you. Have a good day.